Hello guys, I'm Wacky.
And I'm Wednesday.
And welcome to Ayush and Manas. Sorry, New Year ki utri nahi hai. I'm Ayush Mehra.
And I'm Manas Singh.
And welcome to another episode of Wacky Wednesday. It's good to be back.
Wishing you guys a very happy New Year. I hope you guys enjoyed your 31st, had a lot of stuff and all.
So let's start our first Wacky Wednesday of the year and give you some fun stories of Bollywood. To start with,
2013 was an okay year for Shahid Kapoor, but 2014 May is entered with a bang. He is in the news yet again. Apparently, he's dating Sonakshi Sinha.
Now, we don't know how much of that is true, but there's another rumor that he's also dating Shraddha Kapoor. Now, two chicks at the same time.
And Sonakshi Sinha is two se thoda zyada. Okay, but aren't Shraddha Kapoor and Shahid Kapoor brothers and sisters? Like Kapoor?
I don't know, it's all weird and all, but I'll tell you a joke on this.
Bata.
If Shahid Kapoor and Shraddha Kapoor get married, what will they say to the Qazi?
What?
Kapoor hai. Sorry.
Okay, in a random interview with Abhishek Bachchan, he says that he's paid a lot of attention on his physical fitness for Dhoom 3. I mean, what? Why?
That's not it. He's even said this confidently that, you know, the idea was not to beef up. It was to be lean.
I mean, come on, man. Stop lying to yourself, yaar. सबसे बुरी बात है दुनिया की. Apparently, his stamina is so bad. By the way, Abhishek Bachchan and Sonakshi Sinha have the same trainer. Okay, apparently his stamina is so bad that he can't even play FIFA. That is why SRK called Amitabh Bachchan to play FIFA at his
place. Yes, guys, this is actually true. No, not the stamina bit, but the part where SRK called Big B for a FIFA session at SRK's house.
SRK tweeted that he's tired of losing because his kids are so damn good. He called Big B to play the PlayStation or whatever he was, and Amitabh also gets defeated by his grandchildren.
Yeah, so that's really cool. Yeah, both of them are having a great time playing FIFA and all. हम भी हैं यार, free है, मैं भी free हूँ.
हमको बुला लो, हम आपको जीतने देंगे.
कभी भी free anytime. Now John Abraham is out of stock, girls.
क्या हुआ?
नहीं है वो इधर ही है. I mean, he's married to his current girlfriend Priya Ranchal.
Yes, it was a secret affair, guys. The wedding apparently took place in US with the family and close friends, which were only invited. मेरे को बुलाया था, लेकिन मैं गया नहीं.
हाँ, मेरे को भी. मैं बोला कि इंडिया में शादी नहीं है ना, तो बटर चिकन आया. वहाँ अमेरिका में बर्गर जमता नहीं.
पक्का अभिषेक बच्चन की हरकत है, मतलब बर्गर सब ऐसे.
I swear, it showed in Dhoom 3. Sorry.
Apparently, Farhan Akhtar and Arjun Rampal are in the Rock On sequel.
Yes, we don't know about Purab Kohli. I think he has better things to do in life, like take a bath on the football field in front of girls.
Or have that coffee with his neighbor, you know, Deepika Padukone. I mean, even I would wake up 4 in the morning and have coffee, and 3 in the afternoon, and 6 in the evening. While I am having a bath, I'll take coffee. I mean, I have a coffee with Deepika Padukone. Apparently, Abhishek Kapoor is not directing the sequel.
It is being directed by Shujat Saudagar, and now Rock On
2 है ये वक्त का इशारा और ये वक्त है हमारे जाने का 2. Sorry guys for that. Take care.
See you next time. Bye bye.